Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to purchase a Bitcoin on your Cash App. So first you should go and open your Cash App on your mobile device. Tap on the Investing tab represented by a rising curve icon on the bottom of your screen. Then choose Bitcoin from the list of options. Tap on Buy button and select the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can choose from the quick options or tap on the three dots to enter a custom amount. So this one right here doesn't have a custom. So if you want it to be custom, just press on the three dots sign right here. And after that, just go on press on the next button and tap on the buy. You may be asked to enter your PIN or Touch ID to confirm the transaction. And after that, once the transaction is confirmed, then the purchased Bitcoin will be added to your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. That's all.